Holy cow, are you ready for some fire sticks?
Oh man, I'm ready. I'm ready to juggle. I'm ready.
Brothers Bistro. Recipes so simple, even a dude can make it.
I'm Skinny Kenny.
I'm Musclehead Kev.
And we're the Klar Brothers.
Welcome to Brothers Bistro. We're back, buddy.
We are.
You know, I took a little vacation. I had a little time in the sun and the fun. I've got a couple of little tricks up my sleeve for our unis.
You do?
So first thing we gotta do, we gotta get our big cheese it up hat on,
We
right?
don't wear these big cheese hats very often.
No.
You gotta get back to cheesing it up.
We do. I don't know if tonight's tonight though.
Tonight's not the night.
What are we doing tonight
We're
anyway?
gonna coconut it up.
We are
Yeah.
coconut it up.
Thai curry coconut chicken.
Can you say that real fast 3 times? Thai coconut curry. All right, so we're gonna be right back with you, and we're gonna show you the ingredients to this pretty simple, almost a one-pot wonder, right?
Yeah. But let's get the uniforms going first.
You sure?
Yeah.
All right, ready?
Wow, I guess you didn't get the memo, huh?
I
didn't get the memo.
You said bring some skin. Get some skin in the game. I got it going on.
Wow.
What happened to you? Ready? All right, here we go. Wow! Whoa, holy cow! Are you ready for some fire sticks?
Oh man, I'm ready. I'm ready to juggle. I'm ready.
All right, I think we gotta cover up a little bit, right?
We're not.
Unless you guys think we should keep it this way. I don't know. We just came back from Milani.
I don't know about you, but I'm no Martha Stewart.
but we did come back from Milani. Is that what you got?
We got our Lonnie. Well, you got him.
Yeah.
You didn't invite me.
Yeah. I can only take my brother to some places. I can't take him all over.
I can't take you anywhere.
Ready? Right. Yeah, I'm ready.
There we go. That one worked.
Wow. You look way better with your shirt on, buddy. Keep your shirt on.
Don't quit your day job.
Don't sign up for a Polynesian. Don't sign up for the Polynesian fire breathing show. What are we doing tonight? It's got to be some Polynesian
We kind of
theme,
talked
right?
about it a little bit. You know, our viewers can get their very own copy of our cookbook.
Wow, that looks. Did you guys see that? That looks pretty good. Look at that.
Pretty pro, huh?
Woo!
Yeah. So if you want to cook like the bros, you got to pick up a cookbook. Go to Amazon.com, search Klar Brothers Bistro. We're the only ones there. You'll find us easy.
Yeah.
And today we're cooking Thai
Curry.
coconut.
Coconut curry.
I don't know. Thai curry coconut chicken.
Right. Thai curry coconut chicken.
Coconut and curry are kind of interchangeable.
I mean, it sounded complicated. I gotta say.
Well, it's a lot. It's a mouthful. Thai coconut curry chicken.
Thai coconut curry chicken. Okay, I got it.
So we got the chicken.
Right.
That's the easy part.
And
right?
we got some little tenderloins because they'll cook a little quicker, and they're gonna be cut up anyway.
Wait, where's the coconut?
The coconut is in the sauce. Where's the sauce? Where's the sauce?
It's like the main event. You forgot to put the coconut out? Okay, so we got coconut milk. You gotta get the light stuff.
Yeah,
okay?
because it's a little fatty, a little high in
And then the
calories.
other stuff that kind of goes along. We got garlic. Now you can get it in a paste or you can get it in a powder. Either way. And this stuff is the sesame oil. A little bit, you know. We'll put the actual measurements on the screen here, you know, sort of next to us. Vanna will point. You point.
Yeah.
You point.
Okay.
And then we got the taste of Thai fish sauce.
Oh gosh.
And we're not sure about this, right?
That's stinky.
We're going to use it because the recipe calls for it, but we're not so sure about this. And then the red curry paste.
Yeah. Seasoned to your liking.
Pretty simple, actually.
Yeah,
Really?
It is. It's all basically going to go in with the cauliflower rice. Remember, the cauliflower rice is frozen because we didn't mince it, so it's got to cook a little longer, get soft. And we're going to put all the stuff in there. We're going to cook the chicken up separate and then dice it up, cube it up, and then just add it up, and it's going to be like a bowl of curry.
It's like a 2-pot trifecta.
Yeah.
As opposed to a 1-pot wonder.
It'll be in a 1 pot.
Yeah.
when we're done.
Well, when we're done, it'll be a 1-pot for sure. Yeah, so we gotta cook the chicken and cube it.
Right.
So
I said that.
So we're gonna, I know, but
You're
we're
gonna
gonna
say it
show
again?
them. But we're gonna show them that.
He's gonna say it again.
So we're gonna do that on the stove. Normally, my knucklehead brother likes to cook these things on the barbecue. We're gonna cook them on the stove, just like you plebeians out there. You know, you can cook these things on your stove.
Yep. That's right. And then we're going to cube it up, we're going to combine it, and we'll cook it up for a little bit. We'll
Wait,
simmer
let me
on
tell them again. We're going to cube it up, and then we're going to combine it.
That's right. And then we're going to cube it up and then combine it. Right?
But don't forget the red curry paste.
That's right. That's right.
My brother forgot about the cilantro and the onions.
Scallions, I think they call it.
Well, you say scallions, I say onions, you know.
Okay, my brother was all jiggy with this thing, but it's not hard. We're gonna season up and brown up the onion and the chili powder paste. Chili powder?
Chili paste.
Chili paste. and the oil.
Red curry paste.
It's the red curry paste.
Term for it.
So we got that all together, and this is going back on the stove, and then that's gonna.
And this is the chicken, which we're starting to brown up. We haven't quite finished it yet. And we're gonna add in, once it's brown, we're gonna add in these 3 ingredients, which is the garlic paste, salt, and the fish oil. Okay, so Kevin is sauteing. Quit stirring, would you? Sauteing up the onions. And we got the cauliflower going here. We're gonna probably leave this uncovered here shortly because we want to boil off some of the liquid, right? And then we've got the chicken over here cooking too. And we're gonna brown that up, then we're gonna cube it, and then we're gonna combine all these things together. So then this goes in to the chicken. We cubed the chicken, but it's still cooking a little bit. Okay, there's that. Wow, you gotta stir that in.
Yep, I gotta
mix
stir it all in. So the chicken is cooked, basically, and we're gonna put the scallions and the cilantro in, right? And we're gonna mix it up.
Yep. And we're gonna save a little bit for a garnish for later. See?
Two-pot wonder. I did it good. See? you were calling, complaining the whole way.
You always want to take credit for my good ideas. Okay, first things first.
Right, the rice.
The rice. In this case, rice cauliflower. So we put rice in quotes. So we put a little bit on the bottom, forms a little bit of a base.
Right, and then we put the chicken on the top, right?
Yeah.
And again, it's serving 3 or 4, so
and we're gonna put a little water.
And we're wanting about 5 ounces. Yeah. Look, it doesn't look bad.
No, it's heavy on the chicken, which is good. We like the chicken, and it's got a little rice cauliflower on the bottom.
It looks like it's maybe hot. Well, it's not bad, right?
Yeah, I could use a little more spice.
Really? Yeah. A little more of the curry, the little red curry.
Yeah, it's a little bland, but you know, you got to do that to taste because different people like different things.
We'll bring the curry out. Hang on.
Here's your curry.
We'll just little dab will do it.
No.
All right.
I'm not gonna try that. I know better.
All right. So you got to try this out. It was pretty simple, really. The biggest thing was the rice had to cook a little longer than the other, right? Because it's got to get soft. Our rice got a little maybe too soft, but better that than hard.
Yeah.
Because it can taste like not quite done rice.
Yeah. But this is good, and if you try it, let us know how it turns out. Make sure you subscribe to us on YouTube. Hit the post notification button and give us a big thumbs up because we're counting on you. And if you want a cookbook, it's not too late. Go to your local Amazon retailer.
Yeah, no, I think it gets there in 2 days.
Oh, maybe overnight.
Yeah. So you know,
those guys are working hard for you.
So Santa can fill your stocking.
Yeah.
No problem. Whoop.
Man down. Protect the cookbook.
All right, here we go.
Klar Brothers Bistro.
Out.